I'm James Neville Taylor with the Builderall team. In this video we're going to connect your Facebook page to the Builderall Chatbot. When you first open the Builderall Chatbot you're going to see this screen. In order to connect our Facebook account we click Continue with Facebook. It's going to redirect us to Facebook to continue setting up our account. So click Continue as your name, and then it's going to ask which pages you want to connect to the chatbot. So select all the pages that you want to connect and click Next. And then it's going to ask you what permissions. So you need to have all permissions set to yes and click Done. And that's it. You just click Continue and the Facebook chatbot is going to be linked to your account. And it will redirect you back to the chatbot. So now you're going to want to import your page into the chatbot. So click Import New Facebook Page and select the page that you want to add here. And that will add the page. And you can see all your pages that you've imported by clicking the Pages tab here. So here's a list of all the pages that you've added. And if something's not working right, you can simply click Refresh. And it will refresh all permissions for that page. And that's all there is to it. Your page is now connected to the Builderall Chatbot. If you create new pages and want to extend permissions to the new pages, you can simply click Facebook Logout and go through the process again and add any new pages that you've created. So in this video we went over how to connect your Facebook page with the Builderall Chatbot.